Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on basic concepts of functions. So this is the 7th video in the series and ang gagawin natin sa video na to ay isa-summarize natin yung mga natutunan nyo sa previous 6 videos. So tinignan natin yung function doon sa unang video as ordered pairs x and y where for each x there is exactly one corresponding y. Tapos sa pangalawang video, tinignan din natin yung function as a machine. No? A machine that takes an input and produces a unique output. Pinag-aralan din natin yung equation ng function sa third video. And sa fourth video, tinignan natin yung function as correspondence. So sa correspondence, nakita natin na ang many to one pala at saka one to one ay function, samantalang yung one-to-many ay hindi function. Tapos, syempre, tinignan din natin yung function as a graph sa fifth video, and sa previous video ay tinignan natin yung domain tsaka range ng function. So, pwede nyo basahin, no? Ayan yung summary ng ating mga videos, and I think yung konsepto na nakuha nyo na kung you pay attention to the videos ay una, yung function ay relationship siya between two sets where for each element in the first set o tinatawag natin na independent variable, there is exactly one corresponding element in the second set which is tinatawag natin na dependent variable. Okay, so with that, pwede natin tignan yung mga definitions, yung mga actual definitions na yung mga formal definitions from different books. Okay, so tingnan natin yung kay Martin Gay. A function is a set of ordered pairs that assigns to each x value exactly one y value. So medyo hawig siya dun sa una nating video, no? Na for each x there is exactly one corresponding y. For number 2, a function is a rule that assigns to each element x in set A exactly one element called f of x in set B. So dito, ginamit niya naman yung f of x as ordered pairs, no, instead of x and y. But that's okay because y and f of x are equal. So it's either xy or x f of x. For the third definition by Długopolski, by the way, this is by Stewart, no? I think alam niyo yung kanyang calculus book tsaka yung algebra and trigonometry book, very popular. Definition number 3 is from Długopolski, isa rin ito sa mga favorite authors ko, no? A function is a rule by which any allowable value of one variable, the independent variable determines a unique value of a second variable. No? So yung variable dito, yung values of x sa first variable, at saka yung second variable, yun yung values of y, no? Binanggit niya dito yung term na allowable, no? Na I think nabanggit ko rin sa mga previous videos, although ang sabi ko ay permissible, no? I think allowable is a better term, no? Allowable value. So yun yung domain, di ba? Yung pinag-uusapan natin na domain, hindi lahat ng values ng x allowed, no? Malinaw yan sa previous video. Yung last definition kay Ron Larson, a function is a relationship between two variables such that to each value of the independent variable, there corresponds exactly one value of the dependent variable. So yan yung mga different definitions. Of course, isa lang yung minimin nila, no? That a function is a relationship between two sets where for each value in the first set, there is exactly one corresponding value in the second set. Okay, so that summarizes what we have learned in the past 6 videos. Question, tapos na ba tayo? Hindi pa, no? Marami pa tayong pag-aaralan. Pag-aaralan pa natin yung vertical line test. Pag-aaralan pa natin yung more on symbols na ginagamit. Pag-aaralan din natin yung function notation and its relation to the graph. No? And probably a video or 2 on real-life application of functions. So, abangan nyo, no? Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe, invite your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.